Africa is the richest continent in as far as the raw materials are concerned. Africa is rich in minerals than any other continent on earth. Yet Africa is also the poorest in terms of living conditions of our people. This paradox needs to be corrected or reversed. We need to find a way in which we can add value to the raw materials which are available in abundance on the continent by doing value addition before we export them as raw materials. And that's why we need to address the issue of energy, because we cannot do value addition without sufficient energy in the continent. And then the Grand Inga. Grand Inga presents an enormous opportunity for the continent. And it cannot be developed as a purely DRC, that is a project of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. And that's why we need to get African countries to move in and develop this Inga as an African project.